Do you want your videos to look more professional? Well, if you're running a business and producing an online course and providing video content and doing lives and all of that kind of thing, you want the quality of your video to back up the credibility of your content. So stay tuned because I'm going to share with you 6 key factors that will help you make your videos look more professional. So with videos becoming more and more popular, it's really important that your video backs up the credibility of your content because you don't want amateur looking video to discredit the validity of what it is that you are sharing. Okay, so here are the 6 things to help you make your videos look more professional, and the first is to consider your background. Now bear in mind that what you see in the background is going to have an impact on your viewer. So for me, I've chosen colors that work with my brand. I've put things in my background that resonate with what I teach. I teach with video and I've got, cameras scattered around and that kind of thing. So my background is carefully crafted in order to represent a bit of me and my brand and what it is that I'm teaching. So think about what you could put into your background that would kind of give those subliminal messages of what it is you're teaching and who it is that you are and a little bit about you and your brand. You can just use a plain background and that kind of thing, which is fine. That makes it more simple, but it's also a little bit more boring. But do think about what is in there, and you don't want it to be distracting is the main thing. The second thing is to make sure that you're getting good composition. So you don't want to just bung the camera up there and just make do with whatever it looks like when you first set it up. You do want to make some tweaks to make sure that the angles are good, that the framing is looking nice, and that everything is just looking good in the image. So if you want more information on this, you can check out this video right here as well. Number 3 is to make sure you get good lighting, because actually lighting is key to getting a good image. You could actually have the best camera in the world, but if you have bad lighting, you're going to have a bad image. So one of the key things is to make sure that you're facing the light, whether that's natural light or a studio light. And if you want more tips on lighting techniques, then be sure to check out this video right here. Number 4 is to make sure that you get good audio, because video is made up of visuals and audio, and actually people tolerate bad video more than they tolerate bad audio. So you really want to make sure that you are using an external microphone, because that's really important to getting better quality audio than your on-camera mic or your on-computer mic or anything like that. So make sure that the audio is good quality, that it's loud enough that you can hear it, not too loud, and all those kind of things. So if you want more information on that, you can check out this video right here. Number 5 is to be confident on camera and in your topic. So as far as your topic is concerned, you don't want to be wishy-washy. You want to come across as confident in knowing that you know what you're talking about. And for being on camera, you might want to check out the 7 powerful on-camera secrets that every online course creator should know. And the link for that is in the description below. And number 6 is to practice. And I know that sounds simple, but it's really the only way to improve. I mean, whatever it is that you're experienced at, you had to start somewhere. You were a beginner and you practiced and you gained experience, and now you're very good at whatever it is. And the same thing applies to video. I think sometimes we can put so much pressure on ourselves that we're supposed to be good at video, but there's no reason to be. You've never trained in it. You've never had to use it before, maybe. And now you're realizing that you need to use it for your business and whatever. So don't expect that you are going to be perfect at it right off the bat. You need to just practice, play with the lighting, play with the audio, play with the camera composition. Just practice talking to the camera lens. And the more you do that, the more natural it's going to feel and the more professional it's going to come across, because just from the experience of doing it. So don't feel like you have to wait until you're going to be at a certain experience level, because you're only going to get there if you actually practice. Now I know I've referenced several other videos in this video, so I will leave links to those in the description below so that you can get to those easily. And also I'd be interested for you to leave in the comments section what is the most challenging thing for you to make your videos look professional, because knowing these kind of things can help me know what kind of content to produce for you, so let me know in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for more videos related to creating online courses. Stay creative and we will talk soon.